Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Nissan Navara DX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4920. This shape runs from the 12th month 2001 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual four-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand guard, flared type, appears to have no damage. Left front 15-inch Sunraysia style steel wheel with a bald tyre. Left front door has 5 small dents and light wobbles. Left rear door has 3 small dents and light wobbles. Left rear 16-inch factory steel rim, Sunraysia type with a bald tyre. Aftermarket alpha canopy with spoiler, painted in matte black. Doesn't have keys but with all fittings. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loon and neck. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Right rear door, light wobbles and 3 small dents. Right manual door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Driver's side door trim, manual window reg. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type console, 4-wheel drive type, 5-speed gear shifter, heated controls, single stack factory CD player, interior mirror, left-hand sun visor and the right-hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.